I'm making this video because I've been just driving the M5 way too much, especially after the downpipes, dude. Oh my gosh. But I don't care, dude. I'm so happy I bought both freaking cars because these two cars are so unique. But anyways, welcome back, YouTube, to another freaking video. We're driving the freaking Hellcat because I've just been making way too many videos on the M5. Dude, the downpipes on the M5 literally changed everything. Absolutely everything. And I think there's a cop up the front. Yeah, there is a freaking cop. Fudge. But anyways, I bought a new phone. Dude, I bought a new phone like 2 weeks ago, but weird stuff going on with shipment, and the provider I have was being weird, so and I don't have the phone, so I'm literally going to the Apple store just to buy a whole new phone. And I'm still waiting on the refund, which is kind of like pretty much a waste of time. I still don't have my money from the original phone I bought, which is just crazy. But anyways, that doesn't matter. We're here to have a good time, good vibes only. This spot's nasty though. Dude, I miss driving this car. Oh my gosh. I miss driving this car so much, but the problem I ran into is since the sun goes down like at 5 p.m. in LA, I get home around like 4:35, sometimes even 6. And you know, a couple months ago, since the sun didn't go down till 8, I was driving this car like at 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. It was great. So that's kind of why it's been hard to drive both cars. Oh my gosh. It's freaking nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wish the freaking M5 sounded like this, dude. What the fudge? The M5 sounds aggressive, don't get me wrong, but like the feeling and the sound of this one is like something else, bro. I can't even explain it. Dude, this is the combo I always dreamed about, bro. Freaking M5 and Redeye keys. Like, that's all you need, bro. Like, obviously, I want a McLaren. I still, dude, honestly, even if I get to a point where I get a McLaren, I still want a GT3, GT63S. I still want every freaking brand. But, dude, this car just looks disgusting. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my freaking goodness. We got the new iPhone, boys. iPhone Pro Max, baby. Let's go. Dude, the vibes here are such a vibe, bro. But low-key kind of dead. Holy. Dude, I still can't believe I own this, bro. It's one of the hardest Hellcats I've seen, honestly, bro. I'm gonna go down this freaking parking structure now. This thing's gonna sound crazy. Oh my god. I'm barely even freaking gassing it too. That's the crazy part. They put these freaking pillars, bro, because people were sending. This is such a good drift spot, dude. What the fudge? They need to make like some locations where it's like legal to drift, because I'm trying to freaking practice, bro. It's a pretty good spot too, low-key. Oh my gosh. Dude, if you guys heard this in IRL, dude, you'd be tripping it out. It's so freaking loud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going down the same spot, bro. Yes, sir. This spot is perfect because the walls are so close. Dude, I'm sorry, boys. This car is just so different from any car I've ever driven, bro. I'm gonna stop at the dealership because for some reason, dude, the batteries that these guys send me, or these guys have in this car, is just like complete garbage, or something's going wrong, because the battery that was in this car before, dude, it's dead. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. The guy's freaking out. Dude, I used to be that kid where every time someone gas out, freaking be. Oh my gosh, these downshifts are nasty. Disgusting downshifts, bro. Dude, I'm so happy I got this car. Like, the M5 is great. I'm so happy I got, like, the top-of-the-line BMW. But, bro, the Hellcat is still something else, man. Still something else. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Nah, dude, this is why I got the Hellcat in the beginning, bro. Because I've driven pretty much all cars. M5 is, dude, M5 is fun. Don't get me wrong, but not like this, though. Oh my gosh. Dude, the whine of the exhaust is just so therapeutic, bro. Oh my goodness. Hope if you guys are in the video right now, make sure you guys leave a freaking like. Let's get this video to 200 freaking likes. Let's go. Thank you for all the support. We're almost at freaking 14K subs, boys. Let's go. I'm hyped, bro. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this, bro. Oh my goodness. Dude, I'm just so happy how this car is so different from the M5. Like, when people say, yeah, bro, you're going in debt, bro, I put good down payments on both cars. And most of you guys, most of the people that are saying, oh yeah, you're in debt, are the same people that are in debt and have college student loans. I'd rather have car loans than have student debt, bro. Student debt is like, I mean, personally, obviously, depending on what you're doing, you should do it. But I didn't go to college, and I'm getting paid more than people that went to college. Think about that, bro. But the byproduct, the only issue with that is that you have to be working super labor intensive. But it is what it is. Once you go through that stage of labor intensive, bro, and you become smart, it's no longer labor intensive. It's more like mentally intensive. I mean, most jobs are labor intensive, even the ones you get degrees for, bro. At the end of the day, guys, you gotta freaking hustle, get good jobs. I mean, honestly, guys, if any of you guys just get a blue collar job, you have more than enough money to buy this car and an M5 and a house at the same time. Just go find a blue collar job that's union. I literally met a guy that was like 20. He started becoming an electrician at 22. Dude, 4 years later, he started making 67 an hour. Oh my gosh. Yo, this thing's amazing. Nah, bro. I need to go find some like legal place to drift because I'm trying to become really good at drifting, bro. I'm trying to become a professional, low key. Obviously not a professional, but you know what I mean, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking. That is insane. That is insane. No, dude, the M5's no doubt is the M5 faster, but it does not compete, bro. It does not compete when it comes down to the feel. Oh my goodness. It feels like I'm like reliving my Hellcat experience, bro. Second gear pull. Oh my god, dude, that feels amazing, dude. Oh my gosh, why does it feel like I'm reliving the freaking Hellcat experience, bro? It feels like it's my first time freaking driving this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh, that is something else. That is freaking something else. Oh my gosh. Dude, oh my. I'm sorry guys if I'm annoying you right now, but this feels freaking amazing. Both cars are just as amazing, but I don't know, man. This car is something else. It might not be as fast, but it feels amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my, dude. Oh man, thank you Jesus for giving me another day to live. Thank you Jesus guys for blessing me. Like I said, at the end of the day, guys, this is all vain. You will get used to this car, but because I don't drive this car every single day, it makes it really enjoyable. And pretty much every time I drive this car, I'm only recording, like whether it's Instagram Reels or whatever it is. Wow. 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 Dude, those downshifts are disgusting. And actually, I just went to the dealer, bro, and I talked to him about the freaking catalyst, and guess what? It does not void warranty. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dude, I'm definitely gonna cut out a lot of this of me making noises. This feels amazing, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Holy man. Oh my gosh. What the fudge? Dude, what the frick, man? That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable, bro. What the heck, dude? Wow, that is unbelievable, dude. Oh my gosh. How do I make the M5 louder, bro? Honestly, I need to make the M5 even louder. Because this is just unbelievable, bro. This sounds is just so disgusting. It's so amazing, dude. Oh my gosh. What the frick? That is amazing. That is amazing, dude. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, I haven't driven this car in like over a week. Because I've just been doing so many things with the M5. I just installed like 3K worth of freaking carbon fiber parts. I've been so focused on getting this M5 like to where I want it to be that I haven't even been driving this car. I don't regret buying this car at all. At freaking all. There's a freaking AMG right there. What the frick? Oh my gosh. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. What the frick, dude? Wow. Whoa. Dude, this is a feels. Oh my gosh, I can't stop saying. I'm so annoying. I'm sorry, guys, but this is something else. I don't know, man. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a freaking like. If you guys want to see more Hellcat POVs, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.